Hi, I'm Karina Fraley for Expert Village, and we are making our little pilgrim placeholder. So basically, you're going to want to cut down the paper towel roll to whatever size you want to use. Just whatever, you can eyeball it. You can basically cut it into thirds and get 3 out of each paper towel roll. And then you're going to want to paint it. And I started painting this one so that it would be dry. Basically, you're going to take some brown paint. And if you already have flesh colored paint, that's fine. But if you don't, I just went ahead and mixed, which I didn't have laying around. I just went ahead and mixed some dark brown with some white. And then you're also going to want some white. And if you have a little palette like this, these are very, very inexpensive, these little palettes, and they're great to have around. You can use them all the time for projects. You can wash the paint out, and it really kind of keeps control of the paint situation, especially if you're working with kids who sometimes can end up with cups full of paint if you let them. So you just squeeze it out like that, keeps everything separate. And you're going to want to use a bigger paintbrush so that it covers more ground. So you're just going to mix up your paint like that. And then just start painting your roll and then let it dry. Give it a few minutes. This kind of paint dries really quickly. Again, I already started mine. And I don't know how well you can see, but it's actually painted this surface. And the rest of it I'm going to cover with fabric, so I don't even have to cover the whole bit of it. And then I just gave it some hair on the sides.